Okay, so we move on to the next question. Okay. So the next question is 3 more than twice a number is 5 less than the square of the number. Say, what is the number? Okay, so let's try solving this too. Okay, so 3 more than, so let's take the first part. Okay, 3 more than, so 3 more than means plus 3. Okay, it's more than what? It's more than twice a number. Okay, it's more than twice a number. Okay, so x s means equal to, is 5 less than. So when I hear 5 less than, we have to write minus 5 from our previous lessons. Okay, it's 5 less than, 5 less than what? Less than the square of the number. Okay, so less than the square of the number. Okay, this will be a quadratic equation. Since you haven't done quadratic equation, I won't like to solve this. Okay, so let me take it again. So 3 more than, I write my plus 3. Okay, it's more than what? Twice a number. Okay, so 2x, which is 2 times x, right? It's 5 less than, so it's 5 less than means negative 5, the square of the number. Okay, so the square of the number. So this is how it is written. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Okay, let's move on to the next question. The next question is the sum of a number and 6 times its reciprocal is 5. Okay, so the sum, whenever I see sum, I write my plus. Okay, so the sum of a number, so what should I write? The sum of a number, so x. Okay, to replace it, to like replace the number. Okay, so the sum of a number. Okay, and what? So it's remaining with another part. Okay, so the sum of a number, so the sum, I'll write my plus. Okay, and a number, I'll write x. So a number, and 6 times its reciprocal. Okay, so 6 times its reciprocal. Okay, so what's the reciprocal of x? It will be 1 over x. Okay, is 5. Okay, so the sum of a number and 6 times its reciprocal is 5. So the sum of a number, I bring my plus. So the sum of a number is x, the number is x, and 6 times its reciprocal. So the reciprocal of x will be 1 over x. Okay, is 5. I hope this is clear. Okay, because x is over 1, so the reciprocal of x will be something like this. Okay, so x will come down, then 1 will go to the top. So this is it. Okay, so you can go on and solve this real quick. Okay, so I get x equals 6, x plus 6 over x equals 5. Okay, so I can multiply 2 by x, so it becomes a quadratic equation, so I don't want to waste much time on it. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Okay, let's move on to the next question.
All right. Okay.
So the next question is the sum of two numbers is 14. Okay, if the product is 48, then what is the difference of the two numbers? Okay, so let's try solving this. So the sum of two numbers, we don't know the numbers, so write plus, then the sum of it will x and y. Okay, that's the sum of two numbers. It's 14. Okay, what else again? So if the product 2 is multiplication, right? So x times y, so x times y is 48. All right, then what is the difference between the difference of the two numbers. Okay, so you need to find x and then you find y, then you subtract, because the question states that find the difference between them. Okay, so that's okay. So let's move on to the next question. So the next and after the lecture is on the stroke. Kasana mintie. Then I